Welcome back, students. The final heading or the title under the Unit 2 of Business Economics, Law of Supply and Equilibrium. Myself Santosh, Faculty Department of Economics, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In previous video under the supply concept, we saw the slide of law of supply in short. In this video, we are going to see in detail. It is possible part C question. Law of supply states that other things remains constant and the price and quantity supplied of goods are directly correlated with each other. As the price rises, quantity supply also rises. Assumptions. To make this law successful, there are certain assumptions. No change in income, techniques of production, transport cost, cost of production, fixed sale of production. There is no scope for any speculation, the prices remains constant and there should not be any change in the government policy. Dear students, let's see the law of supply illustration. The supply curve in general and the law of supply curve in particular, both are same only because we are talking here about only the supply, which slopes upward from left to right. As prices increases, quantity supply also increases, and on the reverse, if prices fall, supply also will fall. Let's see the determinants of supply. That means what are the factors which determines this supply? The factor which decides the supply. How much to supply? Price of a good, price of related good, price of inputs, state of the art technology, tax and subsidies, nature of competition, firm's business objective. Dear students, after seeing law of supply, we are going to see now the equilibrium of demand and supply, possible part C or part B question. What is meant by equilibrium? It is the state in which market supply and demand is equal, price becomes stable. Quantity demanded equals quantity supplied equals price. What is equilibrium price? The price where the quantity of goods supplied is equal to quantity of goods demanded. Quantity of supply equals quantity demanded equals price. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of equilibrium where there are two curves, demand curve and the supply curve. The demand curve and supply curve intersects. That is known as the equilibrium point, market clearing price. So if we see the price of football ticket and the quantity of football ticket, the demand and supply intersects at the center point. So PE and QU is the equilibrium price and the equilibrium output. Thank you, students.